people, so today is your girl Milady and I'm still in Ghana. So today we are still in Ashanti region. Like I told you guys, I'll be showing you off to Ashanti region like I did in BA. So today we are on our way to Lake Bosomtwe for you guys to see what they have in Ashanti region.
My favorite producer on Dixon Beats.
On our way to Lake Bosomtwe, I got white wine, Papa B. Okay, the owner said I should say it's called palm wine, so we get it from the palm tree. So this is like so tasty. So when we get to Lake Bosomtwe, you guys. So guys, we are here at the entrance and
Boss, good afternoon.
So we are here at the entrance at Lake Bosumtwi. So it's Bosumtwi district. So we are going to the lake and the environment is very beautiful. The environment is very, very clean. And like you guys can see, even though we are in dry season, but it's still green everywhere and very beautiful. So you guys will see whatever goes on over there at the lake. Oh guys, this place is so beautiful. Yeah, at Lake Bosomtwe. We are about to take some lecture from the main man at the Lake Bosomtwe. So after the so guys, this is like Bosomtwe. Right now we are here. We are not taking the boat yet. We are just going to tour around the lake and maybe later we will decide whether we will take the boat and tour on the water or just. But right now we are just taking a tour, like walking around the lake. So there is nothing much to talk about. So you just look at the lake, and next time that you come to Ghana in Ashanti region, like I said, you can come visit. It's very nice, and the people here are very, very nice. They are going to tell you the history, give you someone to talk with you, and also someone to drive you in the boat. So guys, they have hotels around, guest house around. So when you come here and don't want to go home, want to stay for a weekend getaway with your friends, with your family, you can also stay here. I can see some volleyball parks, so they have much of activities going on here. I think during occasion days have a Bosomtwe, so you can come and that every weekend, like Saturday, something. If you come here and you want fresh fish, you can buy some and go. If you want fried one, you can buy some and enjoy. Okay. So guys, now we are about to take the boat. So you guys should wait with us as well. So this is my first time taking the boat, okay? So I'm just going to have a fun experience. So help me go. So guys, this is Bosomtwe tree. It's been here for 360 years. And it's the only tree in the river, in the lake that has leaf on it. So and the bottom part of the tree is 50 feet away from the water. Baba Brahiba Mammy Fresh.
Am I able to show? Babies is here.
My favorite producer. On Dixon Beats.